today I'm gonna discuss about what is geothermal energy. You may have relaxed in a natural hot spring pool or seen the old faithful geyser processing hot water into the air in the Yellowstone National Park. But have you ever thought of where all that heat comes from? Well, it comes from the deep beneath the surface of the earth, and it's called geothermal energy. And we can use it to generate clean, renewable electricity. Here's how geothermal works. Heat comes from earth's crust, warm water that has seeped into underground reservoir. When water becomes hot enough, it can break through the earth's surface as steam or hot water shift. This usually happens where the earth's crust or plates meets and shift. In past, taking advantage of geothermal energy was limited to areas where hot water flowed near the surface. But as geothermal technologies advance, we can leverage even more of these natural renewable energy sources. Engineers have developed a few different ways to produce power from geothermal wells drilled into the ground. Have a look at this. It's dry steam geothermal power plant, and it's the most common type of geothermal technology used today. Underground steam flows directly to the turbines to drive a generator that produces electricity. Pretty straightforward. Another geothermal technology is called flash steam power plant. A pump pushes hot fluid into a tank at the surface where it cools. As it cools, the fluid quickly turns into vapor or flash. Vaporize the vapor, then drive a turbine and power a generator. A binary cycle power plant works differently. It uses two types of fluid: hot fluid from the underground heats as second fluid called a heat transfer fluid in the heat exchange. The second fluid has a much lower boiling point than the first fluid, and so it flashes into vapor at the lower temperature. When the second fluid flashes, it spins a turbine that drives a generator. Environmental benefits of this clean, round-the-clock renewable energy sources are substantial: low emissions, small physical footprints, and minimal environmental impact. The few byproducts that can come up are often re-injected underground. Geothermal energy can also help recycle wastewater. In California, wastewater from the city of Santa Rosa is injected into the ground to generate more geothermal energy. Some plants do produce salt waste, but that salt waste may contain minerals that we can remove and sell, which lower the cost of this energy source. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates that untapped geothermal resources in the United States, if developed, could supply the equivalent of 10% of today's energy needs. In fact, electricity generated by geothermal energy already provides about 60% of the power along the Northern California from the Golden Gate Bridge to the Oregon State Line. Geothermal energy helping to push America towards energy independence and a clean, renewable way to meet our growing demands.